What's up, SD Racing family? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the dyno we've got a screamer of a Coyote. We're talking a Ford Racing Shortblock and Voodoo Heads. So this 2011 Mustang has a Ford Racing Shortblock that we rebuilt. 5.2 liter Voodoo Heads on it. It also features a Boss 302 intake, BBK throttle body, headers, and a cold air intake. Now, typically a Mustang Coyote with the 302 intake, Longtubes, cold air intake will be about 385 to 395 horse, and somewhere between 330, 340 foot-pounds of torque. We've yet to tune a combination with the 5-liter engine and the 5.2 head, so we're going to see what happens. The cams you have in there is a stock cam, so we're not expecting a big bump in power from a camshaft. But we are going to see what kind of gains we get out of the 5.2 heads versus the 5-liter. So we just wrapped up tuning this Mustang on HP Tuners using our VCM suite. We were able to make 404 horsepower and 327 foot-pounds of torque. So with the 5.2 liter heads versus the 5-liter heads, we lost a little bit of torque, which we expected to. We picked up a little bit of horsepower in higher RPM range, above 5,800 horsepower is where it started to pick up over the 5-liter head. Now, if you had a cam or forced induction, gains will be a lot better in the upper RPM range, but with the stockish cam that's in there, it did well. It gained where we expected to gain, lost a little bit like we expected to lose. So overall, this car's ready for more modifications later on. It would really shine with this cylinder head to use a Pro Charger or another centrifugal supercharger unit, Vortec, or any other ones that are out there. So in the future, this thing's Pro Charger ready, and I think it would do real well with it. Well, thank you guys again for stopping by the channel and seeing the dyno session today. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done. And we'll see you again soon. Y'all have a good one.